Hi everyone, I am Sebastian from the client team here at Lupa. Today we are excited to show you how imaging in Lupa works and how it matters in your day-to-day. The value of imaging in Lupa really comes down to three things. First, it saves you time. You send a request, run the scan, and the image comes straight back into Lupa automatically, with no exporting between systems and no chasing files. Second, everything lives in one place, right on your patient record. So the request and the results stay exactly where your team is already working. And third, it is easy to share, whether it is sending images to a client or creating a link for a referral. That means it's less admin, faster access, and everything in one place. Now, let me show you how it works. Once we're in the imaging app, we can create an imaging order. Here we will then select an animal, for example, Archie. Once we select Archie, we will see that already a couple of fields are pre-filled. Then we are able to select the target machine, for example, the X-ray, select a body region, let's take the extremities, and then select the urgency of this study. We will submit the request, and this request is sent to the device itself, which is connected. Now in this case, we don't actually have a physical device, so what we will do is we will manually upload a file. Once you do a request on Lupa and see as images are sent back, you will be able to then preview them here in Lupa. So I can click through the preview images, which have arrived here. There's a couple of really fun things we can do. We can open the viewer. Let's do that. In the Lupa viewer, we have a lot of interesting functionality. First thing we can do is we can make the image brighter and darker by just clicking and dragging. We're able to switch between all the images we can see on the left side here, which are part of this study. And we're able to annotate it. We're also able to change the colors. So for example, we might look at it in a red hot or different colors and analyze these images, as well as looking at the different images all at the same time. Once we're back in Lupa, we still have a couple of very interesting functionalities. The first is being able to share the study. So for example, you can create a link that is good for 7 days, 30 days, 24 hours, and you can even select the maximum amount of views. For example, if you want a referral vet to only be able to see this once or 3 times, you're able to set this up perfectly. And finally, we're able to actually send the final images. So once we click on send images, you will able to select if you want to select all of the images or only select few, and then select the client up here, as well as the secondary parameter is available, and then send off these images via email. Finally, you also have the option to download either one image or all of the images straight from here as well. So that is all about Lupa imaging. If you would like to see this a bit more in detail, please get in contact with us, and thanks for watching.